YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. You might have guessed it. My dryer died. So the dryer is squeaking and squealing and it sounds like it's about to fall apart. But really it's just a bearing. The bearing went bad in the tensioner pulley. Here's the new one. Here's the old one. And it goes right down there. I'll let you watch me install it. The other reason that this thing could be squealing is there's the little rollers. See in the back here? Two there, and then there's two on the front, which I've already taken that cover off. And I know you're probably saying, how'd you get everything apart? It's easy, it's like 3 steps. First step, take off the top. There's just 2 screws in the back, take them off, and it slides backwards. Second step, take off this little front cover here. Little front cover. Because I don't want to redo it. Okay, little front cover. Take it off. All you have to do is unscrew some metal screws, some sheet metal screws. The whole dryer is put together with sheet metal screws. So everything is sheet metal screws. Then you take a loose this front, the door. There's just some screws on top, and then you open up the door. Don't take the door off. And there's like 3-4 screws around the periphery there. Take those off, and then there's 2 tabs. There's a tab here and a tab here that you have to push down. Release this, then that comes out. To get this drum out, all you have to do is tug on this belt that's around it. The belt is wrapped around the tensioner, okay? And you just pull on it to give yourself enough slack to work. Nothing else holds the drum. Okay, nothing else holds it. And you just work the drum out and just take it off, and it'll look just like this. It seems like it took a lot to take it apart, but it doesn't. And of course, you have to take the bottom off of this. It's like a little housing. 3 screws. Okay, you just take this little housing off, and to get the housing to come all the way off, you just take out the lint dust collector. That's it. How do you get this pulley out? 1 screw. 1 screw. It goes just like this, and this goes over here, like that. Okay, and 1 screw holds it in, and there's a new screw comes with it, and that's it. And you put the spring goes right in there. And that's it. That's how you change that out, and I'm gonna do it and put the dryer back together. And this is a really quick video, but basically this is a, what is this, a Samsung, what is this thing? I don't know what it is. It's a Samsung something. See? The dryer. Samsung's dryer. I don't know the model number. Sorry. What does it say? I don't know if this helps. But yeah, everything just comes off real easy, just snaps off. Anyway, I gotta get back to work. Hopefully this helps somebody. I know this is not a perfect video, but I just want to do it real quick while I had it apart. It just dawned on me to do it, so I don't even have my camera, just on my phone. Right, here we go. Here's the new one. If you look at the back of it, so you can actually see the screw. See if I can get that to where. So here's the screw right here. The new one. Yeah, here we go. And that's what it looks like installed. It has a spring down there, like that. Okay, so I want you to see how that's installed. And this is what it looks like from the front. And this is how it should spin. Okay, it should spin about, let me do it this way so you can actually see it. Okay, it should spin about like that. It should be this one here, the old one, it won't hardly move. I can't even move it, it's all seized up. Okay, it make a lot of noise. So anyway, this is one of the sloppiest, fastest videos I've ever done, but better to do this, I think, for this type of job than to do nothing. Part number for the idler. There we go. It's actually a tensioner, but they're calling it an idler. So there's the part number for it. that helps somebody. And hopefully we're going to get a good shot of what the belt looks like. How you route the belt on the pulley after installation. Yeah, all back together. Working good, no more squeaking. Well done.